Hello guys, if you got card jack similar to this one, and if you're having trouble, it's not going up, what you can do is basically see if it's got enough oil in the system or any air which needs to be get rid of it. So first take this cover off, and then you're gonna see a little cap there, plastic thing, just get it off. So there you can see the label of the oil. If you don't see the oil, just top up with some jack oil until you can see it, and then put the cap back on, which is a pain in the arse. And then once that's on, what you want to try to do is basically just open this bulb here, then just pump, get rid of any air in the system, close it back on, and that hopefully should be okay now. So yeah, it's working now again. Before you don't go up as much, probably a quarter of that. So I'm happy with that. It was just in my case just needed the top up. If you got any leaks from here or from this seal here and there, it's pretty easy. You can just get a seal and replace it, and then go from there. Replace the seals and then fill up, drain the air, and then you should be good to go. There's no point going buy a new one when you can just fix your old one. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.